Hey Lucas, do you ever think about your future goals?
Hi, Mia. Yeah, all the time. I think about where I want to be in the next 5 or 10 years. What about you?
Same here. I have a few goals I really want to reach. One of them is to finish my master's degree in education.
That's a great goal. You've always wanted to be a teacher, right?
Yes, I love working with kids. I want to be a good teacher and maybe even open my own learning center someday.
That's amazing, Mia. I think you'd be great at it. I also have a big goal. I want to start my own business in the tech world.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Do you already have a plan?
I'm working on it. I've been saving money and learning about business and marketing. I want to create an app that helps students learn faster.
That's such a smart idea. So, do you plan to work full-time on your business?
One day, yes. But for now, I still work at my job and build the idea in my free time. Baby steps, right?
Absolutely. I think every big dream starts with small steps. Are you thinking about studying abroad too?
Maybe. I'd love to do a short course in Canada or Germany. And you?
I'd love to travel and teach English in other countries. It would help me grow and see the world at the same time.
That's such a great goal. What other things do you want in the future?
I want to be financially stable, live in a small house with a garden, and maybe adopt a dog.
That sounds peaceful. I'd love to have a smart house with solar panels and a home office.
Nice. Do you want to get married or have kids one day?
I think so. But first, I want to focus on building my career and becoming the best version of myself.
That's smart. I feel the same. I want to grow as a person and help others too.
We both have meaningful goals, Mia. I hope we reach them.
Me too, Lucas. Let's keep working hard and stay motivated.
Definitely. And we can always support each other along the way.
That's true. Friends who dream together grow together.
I love that. Let's talk again in a few months and see how we're doing.
Deal. Can't wait to celebrate our progress.